These AI Stickman videos are getting hundreds of millions of views right now, and almost nobody is creating them yet. One channel built over 13 million subscribers just by posting videos like these. Some of their videos reached over 250 million views. Now watch what I created using the exact same method in less than 5 minutes.
Is that easy? No stranger danger.
No animation skills, no expensive software, just ChatGPT, Meta AI, and CapCut. Let me show you exactly how I made it. The entire process takes just a few minutes. Let's get started. And CapCut. I already prepared every prompt for you. You can download them completely free from my Telegram. Paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, it generates 10 viral Stickman video ideas. Choose your favorite idea. I'm going with this one. Next, copy the story generator prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. It instantly generates everything you need: a complete story, image prompts, animation prompts, sound effects, and background music. Now generate all 6 images inside ChatGPT. Next, open Meta AI. Upload the first image, paste animation prompt 1, and click Generate. Repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Finally, open CapCut. Import all your clips. Add the voiceover. Sync everything together, then export. A few moments later, this was the final result.
Is that easy? No stranger danger.
And that's just one example. You can create videos about animals, school, food, aliens, magic, or anything else you can imagine. If you want more viral AI niches, free prompts, and the best AI tools, subscribe to Artur AI. All prompts are available for free in my Telegram. I'll see you in the next video.